Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to be unboxing this right over here. This is my November ice cream box, and I do spend $25 a month on this box. But before I show you what I got in my box and what I truly think of each item, if you are not subscribed, I hope you will. It'd be freaking amazing to have you as one of my friends. Okay, the eyeshadow palette you get in this box is so breathtaking. It is clean, it is elegant, and I'm here for it. Here it is. It is a white faux leather, so pretty, and this is by Lash Step, and it's called the Matte About You palette and has a retail value of $45. Here are the shades. I am going to swatch these for you in a second, but me using this palette, everything blended out beautifully. I love the formula. I love the packaging. I love everything about it. Now, this is a dupe for one of my favorite all-time palettes. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, and half of my face is using the Lash Step, and then the other half is this over here. This is the Makeup by Mario, and this is the Master Mattes palette. Absolutely one of my favorites. So if you don't have this and you got this box, this is a complete dupe. I'm going to show you side by side so you can see how similar these are, and both are excellent formulas. So do you see how amazing the shade range is in both of them? There are so many identical shades. So that's what I wanted to sit there and do half of one and half of the other. Can you tell which one is the Makeup by Mario? So this side is the Makeup by Mario. This is the Lash Step. I am so impressed by it, but let's go ahead and jump on to the swatches. So here is the first row, and by my ring finger is going to be the first shade. Here is the second row for you. And do you see what I mean with how gorgeous these shades are? Third and final row. And as you can see, these are finger swatches. Now, as you can tell by looking at those swatches, you can tell why I love this palette so much. It is so beautiful. I'm glad I got it, because now I have a backup to my Makeup by Mario one. Okay, let's go ahead and move to the second product. It is going to be a setting spray, and this packaging, again, is absolutely gorgeous. There's only one flaw, is that it is a very small base, so I'm scared this is going to topple over. But look how pretty this is. And this is what worries me. How I'm going to keep it is going to be laying like this. I don't want it to fall down, break anything, or this breaks itself. So this is going to be the Joyce Spinelli Cosmetics Flawless Setting Spray, and it has an SPF 15, and it has a retail value of $25. Now, I have been wearing my makeup for 8 hours, and as you can see, it's still absolutely stunning. And when I placed it on, when I sprayed it on, it went on amazing. It is a heavier setting spray, so just be careful of that. Keep it really far away, and it has a funky odor to it, but it does go away after a minute, so I'm not hating that because it blended out my makeup beautifully. It set everything, so I'm really happy with it. So I am going to show you the sprayer because that is a big deal for me. And I cannot place what that smell is, but I'm not a fan of it. Okay, so the third item is by Cheeky Rose Beauty, and they say it's a blush brush, and it has a retail value of $36. Now, I did not use it as a blush brush. I like to use a different type of brush for my blush, but this is an excellent contour brush. It goes into the hollows of your cheek perfectly. It chisels your chin, so that's how I'm going to use it. I absolutely loved it, and I'm glad I have a backup to my contour brush now, because I only have one I really, really like. So this is definitely a replacement for it. Now we're on to a blush. This is a powder blush, and this is fantastic as well. Another gorgeous packaging. Now this is a tongue twister. I hope I don't mess this up. This is Babe Beauty Beach Blush, and that's the shade name is the Beach Blush. Now this over here reminds me of another one of my favorites. Patrick Ta, She's Adorable. This is almost an exact dupe for it. Absolutely gorgeous. It has a little bit of a luminosity to it, but it is still gorgeous. Now, I am wearing highlighter, so don't think that that's coming from this. You know what? Let me go ahead and do a swatch of it. It's like a pinky peach. It's really, really pretty. Okay, we've made it to the last item, and this is a glittery lip gloss, and this is by Illuminati Cosmetics, and it's a liquid luxe lip gloss, and this has a retail value of $21. Now, if you have sensitive fingers like me, be careful if you're grabbing it up from here, because it is pokey. It will hurt your fingers trying to twist it off, so try to go closer to here to take it off, because this will poke the hell out of your fingers. But let's go ahead and swatch this. I do have it in the middle of my lips because that's how I make my little lips look fuller. Here we go. Absolutely gorgeous as well. I love every single item that is in this box. I am really impressed by everything. They went the extra step with having such pretty packaging. I'm really impressed. Now let's go ahead and show you the card. So here it is. I show it at the last point of the video to end it because it says all the products and the prices on it, and I don't want to ruin it. Now this month has a value of $152. The other thing I like is at the bottom of the card is a little message. It says, wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for your support. Eyescream Beauty Team. I think that's a nice touch. I absolutely love it. When they take the extra step on putting a little personal note in it, I really like it. It makes me feel special. But with that, we are at the end of the video. If you stuck around to the end, you know I love you so much, and I appreciate that you support me and love me back. Okay, we've made it to our favorite time. We're gonna end this video by doing fur baby time. So here is Miss Princess Sugar Bear to say goodbye, give all our friends kisses. She sends you all her kisses and love your way. You know I absolutely love you to pieces. You are amazing in my book, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.